What is it like there where you are today? Are people being allowed to return home yet?
Vicki, they are, and it's a stark contrast to what we witnessed yesterday when parts of the Panhandle were blanketed in snow, believe it or not. That did a lot in helping stop some of these flare-ups that had been taking place across the entire region. But as you can see behind me, the damage really already done from Tuesday into Wednesday. This home, one of dozens here in Canadian, incinerated in just a few minutes as a result of these fast-moving flames. That Smokehouse Creek fire, as you mentioned, now at 1.2 million acres. Today, the majority of the flames are out, but crews say as winds pick back up, Vicki, there's a real concern. It just takes one ember to open up a whole new fire front. The Texas Forestry Service says they're stationing crews on the northern side of that fire. But keep in mind, there's about 4 others across the region that are also trouble spots as well. Vicki?
You know, Morgan, we know President Biden has dispatched hundreds of firefighters and emergency teams to help with the firefight. Have officials given any sense of how long it will take to get these fires contained? So many are still burning.
Right, 5% is the containment at last check for the Smokehouse Creek fire, the largest. As for when they'll be able to contain it, the only entity with that answer might be Mother Nature here. We know that this weekend, wind forecast expected to gust 30 to 40 miles an hour. That could be a potential nightmare, and the humidity will drop, and that's a real concern as well right now, Vicki. So we do know that despite crews getting in position to protect vulnerable communities and cut fire line as fast as they can, everyone will be looking skyward to see what conditions do over the next 24 hours or so.
Yeah, those winds can be really tricky. NBC News correspondent Morgan Chesky live in Texas for us. Morgan, thank you.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.